Everyone, Spencer here. How you doing? Having a good day? Fantastic. Right, VertShock. What's all that about? VertShock is basketball and improving your jump. Obviously, it's how to play basketball for beginners, but with this 3-step program, it'll allow you to jump an extra 9 to 15 inches more. So, I've played basketball and I'm 6'4", but I could never jump that high. So, I wish I'd had access to this program years ago, but we're talking, well, in a galaxy far, far away. Let's not, less of that, focus on this. So, the secrets around the world's #1 dunker, VertShock, basketball game, adding extra inches to your jump. Does that sound great? Sounds fantastic, because obviously that gives you an edge over the competition, and obviously, you know, puts you in a much better place. Anyway, right, so, as you can see, just going through the website, it's talking about, obviously, it's a proven system to boost your hops, so regardless of age, height, athlete, and genetics. So, and then there's some other people that have tried it on the various things, where you've got these little videos here, which, anyway, we won't go into that. You can actually, when you actually sign up to it, click the link in the bottom of the description, sign up to it, go through the training and learn how to do it, and take it from there. It's basically, in a nutshell, will improve your game, will help your team win more games. Focus, you know, on a very simple, straightforward system, and it's all about VertShock. And there we have it. So, thank you very much for taking your time. I'm just going to roll the video back to the first page, and there we have. Finally dunk like a total badass. Well, I'm a bit posh to say badass, aren't I? But hey ho, never mind. Thanks very much for listening, and have a wonderful day.